Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Imagine stepping into a living room that immediately captures your attention with its bold contrast and warm undertones. Black and rust are a match made in design heaven, combining dramatic sophistication with earthy comfort. This dynamic duo is perfect for anyone looking to create a space that feels luxurious yet inviting, modern yet timeless. Black represents elegance, mystery, and power. It's a color that instantly elevates any space with a sense of depth and drama. On the other hand, rust's earthy tones bring warmth, texture, and a cozy vibe that makes a room feel lived in and welcoming. Together, these colors strike a perfect balance, creating a space that's both striking and harmonious. This palette works exceptionally well in living rooms because it allows for endless versatility. Whether you prefer minimalist decor, industrial vibes, or a touch of vintage charm, black and rust can adapt to suit your style. From plush velvet sofas and sleek metal accents to warm wooden furniture and textured throws, the possibilities are endless. A black leather or fabric sofa becomes a statement piece when paired with rust-colored cushions or throws. Consider a rust-toned armchair or ottoman to complement the setting. Black feature walls or rust-colored textured wallpapers add depth and character. Pair them with wooden floors or neutral rugs to tie the look together. Industrial-style blacklight fixtures or warm, amber-hued lamps enhance the overall ambience. Choose lighting that highlights the richness of the colors without overpowering the room. Think black metal coffee tables, rust-colored ceramics, and abstract art pieces in complementary shades. Even small touches like a black-framed mirror or rust-toned vases can make a big impact. Add layers with soft textiles like woven rugs, velvet cushions, or knit throws. Mix and match materials like leather, wood, and metal to add depth and interest. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment about your favorite black and rust combinations. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us create even more amazing content. To create a cohesive look, pay attention to balance. If your walls are dark, use lighter furniture and decor to avoid overwhelming the space. Conversely, if you've chosen rust as your dominant color, let black take the spotlight in smaller doses, like in accessories or accent pieces. Adding greenery, like lush plants in black pots or rust-tone planters, can also provide a refreshing contrast. A black and rust living room isn't just a design choice, it's a statement. It's about embracing boldness while keeping warmth at the heart of your home. Whether you're hosting a chic cocktail party or enjoying a quiet evening with a book, this color palette sets the perfect stage for any occasion. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of black and rust and transform your living room into a masterpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you're planning to use this stunning palette in your home. Happy decorating!